Former top cop Crispen Makedenge fades into obscurity. The 17th of August 2025, by staff reporter, Harare. Once one of Zimbabwe's most feared law enforcement officers, Crispen Makedenge, who rose to prominence as head of the Law and Order section at Harare Central Police Station, has slipped into near obscurity after years at the forefront of ZANU-PF's security apparatus. During the Mugabe era, Makedenge became widely known for his uncompromising role in policing political dissent. Opposition activists and civil society groups accused him of overseeing abductions, torture, and brutal assaults, turning the police service into a tool of political repression. His name became synonymous with fear, especially during periods of heightened political tension. Analysts say Makedenge's trajectory reflects the broader pattern of state security in Zimbabwe, where the police, army, and intelligence services have often been accused of being deployed to suppress opposition rather than serve the public. Under President Emmerson Mnangagwa, critics argue that this system has not been dismantled, but instead refined. What Mugabe built as a repressive state apparatus has been perfected by Mnangagwa and his allies. One commentator told Change Radio. Today, however, Makedenge's once formidable presence has largely diminished. Once regarded as an untouchable enforcer of state authority, he now finds himself on the margins, a reminder. Observers say that many figures who carry out orders for authoritarian regimes are eventually abandoned by the very systems they serve. Political analyst TSHABANGUCHAMISA notes, Crispen Makedenge's fall from prominence shows how the ZANU-PF system consumes its own. Those once celebrated as loyal enforcers are discarded when they are no longer useful. Critics maintain that the case highlights the ongoing challenges facing Zimbabwe. A security sector accused of being politicized, a ruling party described by opponents as a cartel, and a legacy of fear that continues to haunt citizens.